everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use checkbox to disable and enable button. Okay. So in every sign up page you have seen that in the here there is a checkbox which is where written that agree to our terms and condition. If you don't checkbox, don't just click on that, then it's not move you to the next page. So I am going to show you that actually. So for that I need text box. Okay, just drag and drop it here and just copy it and paste it once again, and I need one button like this. Just drag and drop it here, and few labels. I need one here, and one here, and just move it down, and one here, and I need one checkbox. Okay, so just here, and just you can actually remove this and just change its name to not the design name, just text. Okay, so uh, accept our term slash conditions. Okay, oh, sorry, it's actually WhatsApp fever. So here we go, and now this button is sign up. Okay, so just change it to sign up so it will look good, and this label to username, and this one to password. Okay, so now what we need is before this user click on the sign up button, the user should be compulsory click on this accept terms and condition. So how to do that? So just let me show you how we are going to do that. Just increase its font so that will look good. Just increasing its font to, let me, 26, and one cute font. Okay, so this is sign up. It's looking very, I can't even recognize it. So just change it to some good italic bold, and now here we go. So this is sign up. So now what we need to do is, when this user is going to sign up with this username for this one and password, and not accepting the our terms and condition, then he or she can sign up. So I want this button to be disabled. So we have to just code on this accept checkbox dot check. This is checkbox checked event, and we have to code it here. So when this checkbox is checked, this button needs to be enabled, and when this checkbox is not checked, then this button needs to be disabled. So how to do that? If I'm just checking the condition, if checkbox, that is checkbox name is checkbox 1 dot checked is equal to false, sorry, false, then we need to disable that button. So how to disable that button? So button 1 dot enabled is equal to false. Okay, so what we are doing here is, when this checkbox is checked is equal to false, it means that this checkbox is unchecked, and if this happens, then this button needs to be disabled. That is this button name is button 1. Here you can see this, the design name is button 1, and else, let me set this else condition. Else, in the rest of the cases, we want that button 1 needs to be enabled. So that is button 1 dot enabled is equal to true. Okay, so let me just execute it and show you. So here you can see that this checkbox is unchecked but is still actually enabled. So what's the problem? So actually this is checking this checkbox when we are clicking on this. So now it's working perfectly for the first time this checkbox is not checked, but still this is not enabled. So how to do that? We need to code on this form load event. This form load event, we just need to write as button one dot enabled is equal to false. That's it. And now start it, and here you can see that initially this button is disabled, and when we click on the sign up, this is enabled. Okay, so thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like my video. And for more videos, just check out my playlist. And for projects, you can text or you can just put your email ID in my project videos. I will share the codes with you. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.